concept of work and energy? What is positive work? What is negative work? Can you define 1 joule? What is meant by the term energy? To learn all these basic concepts, watch the video till end. In our daily life, we do a lot of different work and we get energy from variety of food that we eat in our daily routine. For example, if a builder builds a wall, he may say after the day job, he has done much work, but in reality, he have done zero work according to the physics rule. In physics, work is defined as energy transferred by a force in its own direction. To simple it, I can say that when you displace an object in the direction of force applied, we say according to physics, you have done some sort of work. If a block is placed, here you exert the force in this direction and the block moves in the same direction of force, so we can say you have done work according to the physics. So remember, the conversion of force that whenever an object displaces an object in its own direction, we call this displacement of an object due to the force as a work. Now, another block is placed here. Here you exert the force in this direction and the block moves in this direction. Can I say that you have done some sort of work? The answer is absolute no. One can say I have exerted force on an object and the object displaced by my force. So according to the definition, I have done some sort of work. But this is a still wrong explanation. Here the explanation is that the work done is zero. You have exerted force on this object in the direction while the object is displaced in other direction. Hence the work done is zero. Remember the simple rule of physics that the direction of force and the direction of displacement should be same for maximum work done. Now let's discuss the formula of work done. Work done is equals to Fd cos sine theta. If someone write work done is equals to F cross D cos sine theta, this is wrong because work done is a dot product, it's not a cross product. In this formula, as we already know that F is the force which we exert on an object and D is the displacement of an object in the direction of force. Then what about the cos sine theta? Well, the theta is the angle between the force which we exert on an object and the displacement of an object. If I put 10 Newton force on this object in this direction, then this object travel 20 meter in this direction. Here I know the direction of force and displacement is same. Hence the angle between them is 0. Therefore, here theta is equals to 0 degree and we already know that cos 0 degree is equal to 1. I know the formula of work which is work done is equals to Fd cos sine theta. Hence, putting value in the formula, work done is equals to 10 Newton into 20 meter cos 0 degree. I get work done is equals to 200 Newton meter. Or I can say that work done is equals to 200 joule. Remember that work have two SI units. One is Newton meter and another one is joule. And work done will be maximum when the angle will be 0 degree between the force and the displacement. Let me give you another example. If you exert 50 Newton force on an object and the object is displaced by 30 meter in this direction, then what about the work done? Well, here the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. Hence, theta is equals to 90 degree. Work done is equals to cos sine theta. Work done is equals to 50 Newton into 30 meter cos 90 degree. Hence, work done is equals to 0 meter or work done is equals to 0 joule. So in this, we learned that the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. So the work done will be 0. Let me also teach you about negative and positive work. Remember that work is a scalar quantity, therefore it can be positive and negative. If you exert force on an object in this direction and the object move in this direction, then the angle between them will be 0 degree. We also know that cos 0 degree is equals to 1. Hence the work done will be positive. And if you exert force on an object in this direction and the object move in this direction, hence the angle here will be 180 degree because the object move in opposite direction. So the work done here will be negative. In real life, when we raise an object from Earth's surface, the displacement will be like this and the force will be in this direction. So work done against gravity is always negative. Let me teach you about the concept of energy now. Energy is explained the ability to do work, or you can say the capacity to do work. As we learned, when we do some sort of work on an object, we displace the object from its main position to the rest position. Well, as we already know that a body in motion possesses kinetic energy. Hence, we can say that when we do work on an object, it changes its kinetic energy of the object. The SI unit of work is joule and the SI unit of energy is also joule. Remember that energy can be transferred from one object to another object and there are different types of energy like kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy and chemical energy which we're going to discuss in our upcoming videos.